Welcome back to Relief Tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to find median for group data with class. We have seen in the previous lecture that just by looking, in case of group data, just by looking at the cumulative frequency we will not be able to find middle observation. Why? Because this middle observation will be somewhere in the middle of this class. So it is necessary to find the middle value which divides the given class distribution into two halves. So now question arises, which class should be it? So in order to find that particular class which contains that middle value which divides the distribution into two halves, we have to find cumulative frequency and n by 2. Now we can locate the class by finding the cumulative frequency whose value is greater than n by 2. Now for example, see if I find the cumulative frequency, 2 plus 3, so 5 plus 8, so it is 13 plus 6, it is 19 plus 6, it is 25, 28, and this is 30. So we have to find n by 2. Actually, median means it deals with middlemost observation. For example, we have 40 friends, we are gathered. So if you want to divide this group into 2, what you will do? If n is equals to 40 friends, if you want to divide it into 2, what you will do? You will divide it by 2. So n by 2, that is 40 by 2, so 20. So it is divided into 2 halves. So we want to find always n by 2 to locate that class. Here n is 30, so 30 by 2. So that is equals to 15. This 15 you have to find in cumulative frequency. So now from 14 to 19, this class 13. So after 13 we get 14 up to 19. So 14 to 19 we want 15. So you will get this particular class. This class is a median class. So first of all you have to find median class, and from this class you will find a median, as we have seen in case of mode. First we will find model class, and from that class we will find mode. So here similarly you have to find median class, and from that class you will find median. Okay, so here what we will do? Always we will find n by 2. n by 2, n is 30, 30 by 2, that is 15. This 15 we will see again in cumulative frequency. So up to 2, this class. Now from 3 to 5, this class. Now from 6 to 13, this class. Now from 14 to 19, this class. Our is 15. So 15 here will be from 14 to 19, this class. So this class is a median class. Clear? So now okay, here n by 2, 30 by 2 is 15. This 15 you will see against cumulative frequency. So against cumulative frequency you know that 14 to 19 this class appears. So we can say median class is 55 to 60. So median is somewhere in this class, 55 to 60. Now our statisticians, they have derived formula to find median for this group data with class. We will see what is that formula. We will discuss this formula. So m is equals to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon F into C. This is the formula to find median for group data with class. Now we will see what these terms are. See here, first we will discuss what is this L. L is lower boundary point of median class. Lower boundary point of median class. Look here, median class is 55 to 60. It is continuous class. So 55 is lower limit it is also lower boundary point. So here L is equals to what? 55. Now n by 2. So n, all observation, sum of all observation is n by 2, 30 by 2. So our answer will be 15. N by 2. So here 30 by 2. So that is equals to 15. So n by 2 is 15. Now cumulative frequency. Here see, you have to remember this. We are not going to derive the formulas, just you have to keep in your mind what is CF. So here CF, cumulative frequency of not median class. You have to consider cumulative frequency preceding the median class. Okay, this you have to remember. So this is our CF. So here CF is cumulative frequency preceding the median class. Have you got it? What is CF in our formula? CF is not cumulative frequency of median class. It is cumulative frequency preceding the median class, above the median class. So this is median class, its cumulative frequency is 19. So this is not CF. You have to take cumulative frequency preceding the median class. इसके ऊपर का जो क्लास है उसकी क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी हमें कंसीडर करनी है. ओके, नाउ दिस f. सो व्हाट इज f? f क्या है? तो f फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ मीडियन क्लास. वो हमारे मीडियन क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी है. मीडियन क्लास क्या है? 55 to 60. उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी कौन सी है? 6. तो f यहाँ 6. और नाउ एट लास्ट c. व्हाट इज दिस c? c is class length of median class. ओके बच्चों, ये हमारा फॉर्मूला है मीडियन फाइंड आउट करने का मीडियन क्लास में से. इट इज m is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into C. This formula you have to remember. ये आपको याद रखना है किसी भी तरह से. Okay, and one thing you have to always keep in your mind कि median is middlemost observation, बीच का observation. So in our formula we will get n by 2. n means total divided by 2, मतलब you are dividing into 2 half, and median always deal with half observation. I told you median divides the given observation into 2 half. सभी observation को 2 half में divide करता है. और हमें कैसा मिलेगा वो? n by 2. So in our formula we have n by 2. Then minus CF. Why? Because cumulative frequency हम median में ही find out करते हैं. mean में हमने नहीं find out की, mode में भी हमने नहीं find out की, सिर्फ median में ही हमें cumulative frequency find out करनी है. इसलिए formula में cumulative frequency आएगा. median के formula में cumulative frequency आएगा. mean में नहीं आया, mode में नहीं आया, किस में आएगा? median में आएगा. n by 2 किस में आएगा? मीडियन में आएगा. CF किस में आएगा? मीडियन में आएगा. सो मीडियन इक्वल टू L प्लस n by 2 माइनस CF अपॉन F into C. So F is frequency of median class, C is class length. Just you have to always keep in your mind is CF. It is not the cumulative frequency of median class. Median class की cumulative frequency नहीं है. हमें लेनी है उसके ऊपर के क्लास की cumulative frequency लेनी है. Clear? So this is the formula. So now we will find median. n is 30. 10 by 2, 30 by 2, 15, 15 हम कहाँ देखेंगे? अगेंस्ट cumulative frequency, तो 15 इसमें आएगा, 14 to 15. So median class है 55 to 60. Now we will find median for this problem. Okay. L. So what is lower boundary point? हमेशा याद रखिए while writing L, जब L लिखते हो तो हमें क्लास देखनी चाहिए. ये कंटिन्यूस क्लास है, इसलिए L लोअर लिमिट और बाउंड्री पॉइंट दोनों सेम है. तो L इज इक्वल्स टू 55 है प्लस n by 2. n by 2 कितना है? 15. तो हम लिखेंगे यहाँ 15 माइनस CF. CF माने क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी मीडियन क्लास की नहीं, उसके ऊपर की क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी कौन सी है 13। सो यहाँ लिखेंगे हम -13 और अब लिखेंगे एफ क्या है फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ मीडियन क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी, नॉट क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी, सादी फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी है 6 इनटू क्लास लेंथ। तो मैंने बताया किस तरह क्लास लेंथ फाइंड आउट करेंगे। 45 - 40 क्या है 5। सो 55 प्लस 15 - 30 2 out of 6 into 5। प्लीज डोंट ऐड 55 + 2। मैंने देखा है बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या करते हैं 55 और 2 को ऐड करके 6 से डिवाइड करते हैं। देखिए यहाँ 55 + 2/6। We are not adding 55 to this numerator 2. 55 plus 2/6. This is one term, this is second term. We are adding these two terms. So first we will solve this term. Okay. So 2/6. What will get 55 plus 1/3. Now we will divide this 1/3. So 55 plus 2 ones are. This is 3s are. Now 1 into 5. So what you will get 5/3. Are you understanding? फिर से मिस्टेक मत कीजिए। 55 + 5/3 आप क्या करते हो 55 + 5/3 आप लोग क्या करते हो 50 + 5 60/3 करके आंसर 20 लिखते हो, ये गलत है। What you have to do, these are two different terms. ये न्यूमरेटर हम ऐड नहीं कर सकते। हाँ, if it is this way 55 + 5 divided by 3 means this 3 is dividing both 55 as well as 5. Here we can add these two, but you see the difference. Here 3 divide just 5. ये 3 सिर्फ 5 को डिवाइड करता है, 55 को डिवाइड नहीं करता है. So we can't add this. So first you have to find 5/3. So now 55 plus 5/3. 5/3 means 1.66. So what you will answer get 56.66. This is our median. This is our median. See what is median class? 55 to 60. So it is somewhere here in this class. 56.66 lies somewhere in between 55 and 60. Have you got it? That is the 55.66 that divides the whole distribution into two halves. 50% observations are above 56.66 and 50% observations are below 56.66. So it is a median. Clear? Okay, we will discuss one more problem. Your exercise textbook exercise 14.3 question 5. See, this is the lifetime of bulbs. There are 14 bulbs whose lifetime is 1500 hours to 2000 hours. There are 56 bulbs whose lifetime is 2000 hours to 2500 hours. And altogether there are 400 lamps. So here n equal to 400. Now you have to find median. So in order to find median, what you require? You require cumulative frequency. Now we will find cumulative frequency. How? We are 14. Now 14 plus 56. 6 plus 4, 10. 5, 6, 70. 70 plus 60, 130. 130 plus 86, we will get 216. 216 plus 74. See, 6 plus 4, 10. Carry 1. Here 0. Carry 1. So you will get, sorry. 6 plus 4 10 0, carry 1 7 8 9 9. 9 here 2 90, then plus 62, so 352. Here we get 400. So always you have to see one thing. If total frequency is 400, here always you will get 400. Okay, now we want to find median. So first you have to find median class. Median class. Median means middlemost observation. So what you will do here? Here you will find n by 2. So n is equal to 400. So you will find 400 by 2. That is equal to 200. This you will see against cumulative frequency. So 1 to 14 you have this class. From 15 to 70 you have this class. From 71 to 130 you have this class. Now from 130 to 216, 131 to 216, we have this class. Our cumulative frequency is 200. So I can say from 131 observation to 216. So this class, so this is our median class. Clear? So therefore, median class is 3000 to 3500. So is it clear how to find median class? Nothing you have to do. You have to find n by 2, 400 by 2, 200, 200. You have to see against cumulative frequency. So against cumulative frequency, it is up to 130. Now 131 to 216. So 200 will be somewhere here. So class is 3000 to 3500. Now you know formula. What is formula to find median? So median is equals to L plus CL by 2 minus CF upon F into C. See, don't write L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F. This is wrong. Now L. So while writing L, you have to keep one thing in your mind. You have to look at the class. It is continuous class. So L is equals to 3000. So 3000 plus n by 2. N by 2 is 200. Now minus CF, cumulative frequency. I told you here you will not consider the cumulative frequency of median class preceding the median class. So this is our cumulative frequency. How much it is? 130. So minus 130 upon F. F is frequency of median class. So frequency of median class is 86. So you write 86 into C. C is class length. Class length 2000 minus 1500. 500. So here it is 500. So now 3000 plus 200 minus 130. You will get 70 upon 86 into 500. 3000 plus. Now 70. You multiply this 2 and divide by 86. Or you can make it simpler. See, 7 5s are 35. 0 0 0 3 0 divided by 86. So 3000 plus now 35,000 divided by 86. So I think you will get here 406.98. So now answer is 3406.98. Please you divide this. You might be knowing how to divide 35,000 by 86. Answer will be 406.98. So this is our median. See, it lies somewhere here 3000 to 3500 के बीच में median की value आएगी. What is this value? मतलब this is here somewhere here in this class. So there are 50% bulb whose value lifespan is less than 3406.98 hours and 50% whose value is more than 3406.98 hours. Clear? Okay. See friends, we will do some more practice. So we will discuss fourth problem on exercise 14.3 of your textbook. See, this is the length of the leaves in millimeter and these are the number of leaves. So there are 3 leaves whose length varies from 180 to 126 millimeter in this one. Now we look at the class. First of all, every time we have to look at the class. What type of class it is? See here. If you see the difference between two successive limit, 127 minus 118. So answer will be 5. 136. Sorry. 118 to 126. Now 127 to 135. You see the difference. 18 and 27. So how much it is? 118, 27. So 7, 8, 9. Here also 9 difference. See, 136 minus 27. 36 minus 27, 9. 45 minus 36, 9. So here equal class length, that is 9. Clear? But have you seen one thing? It is not continuous. See here, 126 here, 127, 135 to 136. So you have to convert them into boundary point. Remember that while discussing mean, I have told you. If class is not continuous, you have to convert them. You have to make it continuous by converting it into boundary point. But we will not write that column. Now, what you have to find out? Median. So here, I told you median deals with middlemost observation, so n by 2. So for that we find there are 40 cumulative frequency here. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 12, 7 plus 2, 9, 1 plus 1, 29, 29 plus 5, 34, 34 plus 4, 38, 38 plus 2, 40. So this will match both always. So our cumulative frequency is right. Now we will find median class. So for median class, first we have to find n by 2. N by 2 and is 40. So you write here 40 by 2. 40 by 2 is 20. You will see this 20 against cumulative frequency. So come here, cumulative frequency from 9 to 17. 20 does not lie here. From 18 to 29, yes. So 20. So this will be our median class. So therefore median class is 145 to 153. So this is our median class. But you look here, I told you, now you have to write N. So while writing N, you have to keep in your mind whether the given class is continuous or discontinuous. Here it is discontinuous, so we will convert boundary points, not of each and every class, but our median class. So 144, 145. So what you will write here, that is 144.5. You will subtract 0.5 from lower limit, 2. You will add 0.5, 153.5. So now our L will be not 145, it is 144.5. So L is equals to 144.5 plus n by 2. N by 2 is 20 minus cumulative frequency. So I told you repeatedly, we will not consider cumulative frequency of median class, but preceding the median class. So this is our cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency is 70 upon f. F is frequency of median class. Frequency of median class is 12. So you write here 12 into class length. The class length I told you, okay, you just subtract this to successive limit whether it is continuous or discontinuous in order to avoid confusion. 127 minus 118, so you will get 9. So now we have all the data, just solve it algebraically. That's all. 144.5 plus 20 minus 73 out of 12 into 9. So 3 ones are here, 4s are. So 144.5 plus 1 into 9, 9 divided by 2. So you will not add 9 to 144.5, just you divide 9 divided by 4. So 144.5 plus 9 divided by 4. So 9 divided by 4 is 2.25. Then you can write 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Now 146.75 is our median. See, it lies somewhere here from 144.5 to 153.5. See, if your answer does not lie in this class, your answer is wrong. Why? Because this is median class, so naturally median should lie somewhere in this class. If your answer does not match with this class, if it does not lie in between somewhere here, your answer is wrong. So I hope you understood how to find median for group data. Okay, even though if you have any problem, just you can give me a call. Thank you very much.